amin. Palay mo kanan. Tingnan, nag-aampo kami sa mga pagkarayon karon na ikaw mag-abuo o sa pagsabot sa mga mensahe. Hindi mga butana ang mag-apply sa mga kinabuhi. Nangingin kami Ginoo, sila kang yapo ng salamatan sa ngalan ni Jesus na mabuto o personal na gawas. Amen.
There is a name I love to hear. I love to sing. Sound like music in my ears. The sweetest name on earth.
chapter 7. Diyan na to. Verses 1 to 6. Basahon. Sundan sa mata. Then Jerubbaal, who is Gideon, and all the people that were with him rose up early and preached beside the well of Harod, so that the host of Midianites were on the north side of them, by the hill of Moreh in the valley. The Lord said unto Gideon, the people that are with thee are too many for me to give the Midianites into their hands. Yes, Israel bound himself against me, saying, mine own hand hath saved me. Now therefore go to proclaim in the ears of the people, saying, whosoever is fearful and afraid, let them return and depart early from the Mount Gilead. There returned the people 20,000, and there remained 10,000. And the Lord said unto Gideon, the people are yet too many. Bring them down into the water, and I will fight them for thee there. And it shall be that of whom I say unto thee, they shall go with thee, the same shall go with thee. And of whatsoever I say unto thee, they shall not go with thee, the same shall not go. So he brought down the people into the water, and the Lord said unto Gideon, everyone that lappeth of the water with his hand, as a dog laps, him shalt thou set by himself. Likewise everyone that boweth down upon his knee to drink. That's verse. The number of them that lapped, holding their hands in their mouth, were 300 men. But all the rest of the people bowed down upon their knees to drink water. Salamat Ginoo sa mga tulong na ako sa mga katalimugan. Ikaw Ginoo mag-aaliyo karon sa kanamo. Ikaw Ginoo mag-aatag kanamo sa alam ni Palo. O kimuha ka ang tulong mo Dios na mahimong inubuhay na isang dati na